Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace ball joints on a GMC Sierra. First, gather all necessary tools, including a sturdy jack stands, and a specialized ball joint press kit. Safely lift your truck and secure it on jack stands, then remove the wheel. Next, carefully disconnect the steering knuckle and brake caliper, ensuring they are properly supported to avoid damage. This preparation is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Once prepared, it's time to remove the old ball joints. Position your ball joint press tool correctly and apply pressure to extract the upper ball joint from its housing. Take your time and ensure the tool is aligned to prevent damage. Follow the same procedure for the lower ball joint. After removal, thoroughly inspect the control arms and other suspension components for any signs of wear or damage that might require further attention. Now, let's install the new ball joints. Begin by meticulously cleaning the bores where the new ball joints will sit, removing any rust or debris. Using your ball joint press, carefully press the new upper ball joint into the control arm until it is fully seated. Repeat this process for the lower ball joint, making sure it's installed correctly and securely. Proper installation is key for vehicle safety and performance. With the new ball joints installed, it's time for reassembly. Reconnect the steering knuckle and brake caliper, ensuring all bolts are tightened to the manufacturer's specified torque settings. Double-check every connection for security. Remember, a proper wheel alignment is essential after this repair to ensure safe driving and prevent premature tire wear. For other great deals, including a fresh scent for your ride, check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.